You spend a week building a rigorous model, double-checking the math and compiling your findings into a comprehensive deck. Then you sit in the boardroom and watch the leadership team move to the next agenda item without committing to a single action. This happens when the delivery format ignores how decision-makers process information. Even with correct data, a structural mismatch between presenter and audience can kill momentum. Most presentations follow the analyst brain workflow, retracing the journey from problem to methodology, placing the recommendation at the end. Executives operate in reverse. They need to immediately understand what to do, why it matters, and the risks involved. Driving action requires you to prioritize the structural needs of the leader over the desire to prove the depth of your research. This shift starts with the bluff method, bottom line upfront. It requires placing your ultimate recommendation on the very first slide of the presentation. This table highlights the trade-off. Leading with the recommendation captures attention early, but requires you to stand behind your conclusion without methodological hedges. Once clear, the rest follows a three-act story: the current situation, the complication, and the evidence-led resolution. This three-part arc creates a story that is easy to retell. That is essential, because executives need a clear narrative to advocate for the decision internally to other partners. Immediately following your recommendation, you must include a specific calculation, the cost of an action. Showing exactly what the company loses by doing nothing translates abstract data points into the executive's native language of profit, loss, and risk. Replacing an exhaustive technical walkthrough with a definitive three-part narrative is the most reliable way to convert your findings into organizational momentum. Every visualization you use must serve as a specific argument. They are tools designed to reduce the cognitive load on your audience, not decorative additions to a slide. This chart provides a framework for selecting visualizations based on the data relationship you are showing. Your choice should be driven by the argument. This dictates using bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends, and stacked bars for composition. Your typography must be equally direct. Replace descriptive labels like user retention with declarative titles that state the insight, such as retention drops 40% after the first week. A declarative title forces the audience to focus on your specific premise. This leaves your interpretation exposed to challenge, but it ensures your point is impossible to miss. Every chart and title must earn its place by driving the recommendation forward. If a slide only provides a neutral data dump, it should be removed. Even with the right charts, you still face cognitive biases. These System 1 intuitive errors, documented in the research shown here, can distort reasoning and lead teams to ignore sound evidence. You can audit your own work using a quality control checklist. This forces you to search for groupthink, self-interest, and the affect heuristic, where a team falls in love with their own proposal and ignores its flaws. This audit neutralizes biases before capital is committed. It adds time and political friction, but drastically improves the quality of the final call. Generative AI accelerates this process. These tools synthesize a sprawling technical report into a tight 3-slide structure and provide a preliminary cost of inaction calculation. However, AI lacks organizational nuance. It does not understand budget caps or internal politics, and a single hallucinated number will destroy your credibility in the room. Technology can format the story, but human System 2 thinking is still required to filter out bias and account for real-world risk. A perfect presentation structure does not exist. The most effective approach changes based on who is sitting across from you. This matrix provides a framework for tailoring your data to different stakeholder needs. For executives and investors, you trade thoroughness for momentum. You should use the 3-slide BLUF and keep the entire deck under 5 slides total. Technical teams require the opposite. You lead with methodology and confidence intervals, actively inviting challenges to build trust in your rigor. In hybrid rooms, you present the executive BLUF while maintaining a documented technical appendix that you deploy instantly if a question arises. A data story that drives one clear decision is worth far more than a comprehensive report that drives none. Adjusting your presentation for an executive audience preserves the rigor of the math while changing the focus of the delivery. Effective data storytelling prioritizes empathy, focusing on how human beings process risk and commit resources. Your ultimate job as an analyst is to be the most effective translator of raw insight into committed organizational action.